Good end to the over as well. Siraj, what a catch! A length delivery, and it's that man Jadeja. India are off to the perfect start in the final. That one a little bit short, but mostly both of them are pitching it up and giving it a chance. Actually, big shout, straight across it.
Well, that came in very quickly.
Just go to front on the modal, please. Pitching outside off, impacts in line, wickets hitting, signal.
In the air, it's back-to-back wickets. Can you believe this? India have Sri Lanka down, 4 wickets down. No mid-on, so this may go all the way. Even the bowler's chasing it. The bowler is chasing it. Can he get there? No!
Yes, you mentioned.
Nearly the 4th. Is it the 4th? It is the 4th! What is going on in this final? A lovely outswinger. Ravi Shastri, I have never seen this before. He nearly gets a 5-for. He has half an appeal.
Well, Siraj, the way he's bowling, he obviously has every right to believe he can get a wicket every ball.
Wide at the crease, dragging the batter in.
Yes, playing away from the body. There's no need to play this delivery. Just
in a final. Wide again! He has a 5-wicket haul! This is a beautiful delivery! India, they're on the march to victory! From Siraj again, 1 wicket and a run.
This is also fantastic bowling.
Look to bat beyond and bat the 50 overs. That should have been the plan.
That's been the great recipe for Mohammed Siraj.
Try to play with soft hands from the front foot. Another good delivery. He's running in, sprinting in 138k.
Ooh, that was close to off stump. Slow ball.
Batting at number 7. That could be the reason. That's set. I didn't carry. Another good delivery.
so still Siraj. Bowled in. Number 6 for Mohammed Siraj. And it's Kushal Mendes.